Hi and welcome! In this video, we introduce the first of 5 core exercises in our children's swimming course. We'll show you how to guide your child to fully submerge and exhale underwater, an essential foundation for developing confident swimming skills. This exercise is part of the swimming teaching system that enables you to teach your child how to swim, from getting used to the water in infancy all the way to mastering all 4 swimming strokes at a more advanced age. Visit all exercises on swimy.org. Now let's move on to the exercise. The exercise is relatively easy to explain. The child holds its breath and submerges underwater for about 5 seconds in total. Underwater, the child opens its eyes wide and exhales all the air from their mouth. Let's take another look at the whole thing. Many children have trouble opening their eyes fully and only exhale a few small bubbles of air. Make sure that all the air is actually exhaled. And that brings us to the end of the exercise. The exercise itself seems quite simple. However, about half of all children at this age are afraid to put their head underwater. Helpful tips for this can be found on our website. The link is in the video description. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more exercises like this. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.